This is the tutorial video on how to use ChatGPT's G2 plugin. Now before we get started, there's a couple settings you want to make sure that you've addressed. First off, make sure you're on GPT-4. If you're on GPT 3.5, you will not be able to access plugins. Similarly, make sure that you've turned on chat history and training. You can do that by going to your sidebar, going to your name, settings and beta, data controls, and make sure chat history and training is turned on. Both of these things are necessary in order to use plugins. Once you do that, you can hover over GPT-4 and go to plugins. Once you do that, you'll see this pop up, no plugins enabled. If you click that, you'll see that I already have the G2 plugin installed, but if you don't, you can go to the plugin store right here and go ahead and install it. Once you've installed it, you'll see it in this drop-down list just like this. You can checkbox it, and from then on, every prompt that you insert that has to do with software, deciding between software, making recommendations, it'll use the G2 plugin to give you that response. The example that I have here is what is the best HR software platform? And as you can see, it gives me a list of software that it recommends. And if you click any of these links, it'll take you directly to the listing for that piece of software right on the G2 website. That's all you need to know about the G2 plugin.